the most boring event. Sorry, the most greatest event. There you go. Of last Marvel standing history, the Elimination Race. I was supposed to say, welcome to the boring Showdown. The tournament no one pays attention to. But this is the final event of the games. The top 12 today are moving on to the qualifiers for season 15. The bottom 4 will have to stay in the Showdown until next season to have another chance at season 16. So we're about to kick off. Here, you see everyone is here to see who will win, who will lose. And we're off again in the elimination race. Who comes last? It's the Green Mowers. Who comes last? And it's Hawaiians. I don't know where Hawaiians are in this. I think Hawaiians are 8th in the standings or something. So, it'd probably be good to keep an eye on them, at least for now. But this could be catastrophic for them. Anyway, we're off again. Galaxy comes in dead last here. And the Snowballs. They're 13th in the standings. Right now, I can confirm that one. Snowballs, you came back. Please don't come back ever again. You are eliminated. Here we go. Round 3 now. One more marble gets eliminated. Who is it? Oh, and it's the Red Peppers. The Red Peppers do not finish up. Oh, and so doesn't the flashlight. But the flashlights doesn't matter. Red Peppers are gone. Red Peppers are in 4th place, so the standings won't affect the Red Peppers as much, at least. So I believe they're still safe. Who's out now? Galaxies? No, Sparkling Waters. So Sparkling Waters are out. No, it's the Wojo Rollers. 13th in the standings. That sounds like the Wojo Rollers and Jelly's Marble ones in 2021. Interesting. But anyway, who's next? To be out. Is that Sweet and Sours? Yes, it is. Sweet and Sours will go 12. They are in 2nd in the standings. I don't think they'll be getting the overall podium. Here. So we're going to continue. Who's next? And that's the Faders. Faders are 3rd in the standings, so that is definitely not going to put them in the podium position. But I still believe they will be able to make it to the top 12. So, who's next? And it's the Coral Reefs. The Coral Reefs will get 10th. They're 11th in the standings, so maybe they can survive. Who knows? But anyway, who's next? That's Green Mowers in the back, and that's how it's going to stay this time. The Green Mowers are gone in 9th for this event. Who's next? That's Electric Eels, who got caught up on that honeycomb. So flashlights can count their lucky stars on that one. Electric Eels are actually 14th in the standings we hear, so that might help them escape relegation. But who's next? Trashbags are in last, and that's how it's going to stick. Goodbye, Trashbags. You were 15th in the standings. You came, I believe, 7th today, so hopefully that'll be enough for you. Oh, Seals and Lentils! They flew off the course and get 6th. they were 6th coming into today, so I believe they are safe. But anyway, who's next to be out? And it's the Sparkling Waters. But do you know what else is shocking? The Galaxies are in the top 4. Can they continue this match and get a podium? Yes! Asteroids will get 4 from the Galaxies. They'll probably need a goal to stay alive. But that would not happen. A bronze medal. Unfortunately, I can definitely tell you that is not going to be enough for them to survive. So Galaxies are out. But who'll get the gold? Oh, it's a tight battle. This is going to be the tightest final we have had. But Earths has survived. And the Earths have won the gold. Flashlights will get silver. Galaxies are bronze. And as I check the standings, the Flashlights have won the Showdown. Earths by 2 points will miss out, but will obviously come into second. And by a tie, yes, a tie, Seahorse and Entals. Yes, you heard me right. The Seahorse and Entals. There's the overall podium. Flashlights win the gold, Earth silver, and the Seahorse and Entals rounds out for the bronze. And unfortunately, we have to say goodbye to 16th, the Snowballs. 15th, Hawaiians. 14th, Red Pepper. Wait, is that right? Oh no, sorry. 14th, Galaxies. 13th, Asteroids. So Asteroids, Galaxies, Hawaiians, and the Snowballs. And there they are. These teams will not be making it to the main league. And here are the 9 marbles as well. They'll be going to the qualifiers. So let's see who will qualify for season 15. But next, we have to do the final 3 events. Final marathon. The Lego Hill, which is going to be the new event, and the marathon. So let's see who wins the season 14 championship.